Which immersion blender is actually good for making soup? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the real answers. Today, we're breaking down the top contenders to help you make the perfect choice. Product number 1: Tyreller Black Immersion Blender. Let's kick things off with the Tyreller Black Immersion Blender. Priced at just $18.88, this one really caught my eye with its powerful features and sleek design. If you want effortless blending for soups and smoothies, this is worth a serious look. What sets this blender apart is its high-torque copper motor, which means you can blend or puree ingredients in seconds, no more lumpy soups. The adjustable speed control is a game changer. It features 2 mixing speeds so you can find just the right texture. With over 919 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating, it's clear that many others love it too. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You'll get consistent results every time, whether you're making a creamy potato soup or a chunky vegetable puree. Now, some people complained about the corded design limiting where you can blend. Here's the thing though, if you have a dedicated kitchen space, this isn't a deal breaker at all, and it keeps the blender lightweight and easy to handle. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, straightforward option for daily soup making. Skip this one if you need something more portable or if you blend in multiple locations often. For under $20, it's a solid value for what you get. Now, if the corded design bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Tyreller White Immersion Blender. Next up is the Tyreller White Immersion Blender, priced slightly lower at $18.85. It has the same powerful motor and features, but the clean white design caught my eye. If you want an efficient blending tool that looks good on your countertop, this is definitely worth considering. Like its black counterpart, this immersion blender uses a high-torque copper motor for quick and effective blending. The 2-speed settings allow you to dial in the perfect consistency for your soups and sauces. It's really user-friendly, even if you've never used one before. Plus, it shares an impressive 4.7-star rating with over 919 reviews, which speaks volumes about its reliability. However, a few users mentioned that it can get a bit loud during operation. But honestly, if you're making soup, you're probably blending in a busy kitchen anyway, so it's not a major concern. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet practical tool for your kitchen. Skip this if you prefer a blender with more advanced features or if noise is a big issue for you. For its price, it's a fantastic choice for everyday use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who look for a little more versatility. Product number 3: Tyreller Christmas Red Immersion Blender. Coming in at $16.97, we have the Tyreller Christmas Red Immersion Blender. The vibrant color is eye-catching, but it's the features that really make it stand out. If you want a fun and efficient blender that can tackle all your soup needs, this one deserves your attention. This model, like the others, boasts a high-torque motor and 2 adjustable speeds. The stainless steel blades can puree and blend effortlessly, while the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold. With 919 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating, it's proven to be a reliable kitchen companion. The ease of cleaning is another major plus. You can just attach the blending stick for quick cleanup. One downside some users noticed is that it doesn't handle very thick mixtures as well without a bit more effort. But honestly, for the price and its overall performance, this is a small trade-off for the versatility you get. This one is perfect for you if you want an affordable and colorful option that can blend a variety of ingredients. Skip this if you primarily make thicker soups or purees and need something with more power. It's a fantastic value at under $17. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power and additional attachments, check this next one out. Product number 4: Tyreller 1100W Immersion Blender Set. Next is the Tyreller 1100W Immersion Blender Set, priced at $35.96. This is where things get serious. If you want a blender that can do more than just soup, this one is worth a serious look. With a powerful 1100W motor, this blender has significantly stronger blending capabilities. The variable speed trigger design lets you control the blending speed intuitively, reducing splattering. Plus, with over 7,200 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many people trust its performance. However, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit bulky, which might be an issue for those with limited storage space. But let's be real, if you're serious about cooking, a little extra space is worth the added functionality this blender offers. This is perfect for you if you love cooking and want a multifunctional tool that can handle a variety of tasks. Skip this if you're looking for something compact and lightweight. It's a solid investment for avid home cooks. Alright, that brings us to our last option, which is a budget-friendly alternative with great features. Product number 5, Bonson Kitchen Hand Blender. Last but not least, we have the Bonson Kitchen Hand Blender, priced at just $16.99. This one might be on the lower end, but it offers some solid features for the price. If you want an economical option that still gets the job done, this is definitely worth considering. With a 300-watt motor and 2 mixing speeds, this blender can handle your daily soup-making needs without any fuss. It's designed for comfortable use, and the detachable parts make for easy cleaning. Plus, with 7,200 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many are satisfied with its performance. It's especially good for quick tasks, ensuring you get smooth blends every time. Some users have mentioned that it's not ideal for very hard or frozen ingredients, which can be a limitation. But honestly, for making soups, it's more than capable, and you'll find it quick and easy to use. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need a reliable tool for everyday blending. Skip this if you often work with tougher ingredients that require more power. At under $17, it's hard to beat the value you get here. So to wrap it up, we've got the Tyreller Black and White Immersion blenders as great budget-friendly options, the vibrant Tyreller Christmas Red model for a fun twist, the powerful Tyreller 1100W set for those who want versatility, and finally the Bonson Kitchen for an economical choice. Each has its strengths, so pick based on your specific needs. Happy blending!